Candace, and whoa, I almost lost my voice. I'm still so sick, so I need Powerade so I don't get dehydrated again. Alright, so today we got our J.K. Rowling's Wizarding World box from Loot Crate. One of my favorite boxes. Not a huge fan of Loot Crate's regular boxes. They can be hit and miss. However, I get 3 of their specialty boxes, this being one of them. Also, Firefly Cargo Crate and the Sanrio Small Gift Crate. And I think they do a bang-up job on their specialty boxes. I really don't have too many complaints about them. But we are huge Harry Potter fans in this house, so I'm a huge fan of this box. They're slowly getting better. Well, the Firefly Cargo Crate's been out a while, but the Sanrio and the Wizarding World boxes are a couple of the Loot Crate's newer boxes. So I really like it. I enjoy it. This month's theme is the Dark Arts. I love the Death Eater sticker. Dark Arts, I am hoping that there's some Slytherin or some Snape stuff in here. But, oh, I see we have a shirt. And, it's kind of look like Snape's hand. Oh, the inside of the box is nice. A Death Eater mask. And that's what you see. Top of the box, I'll put the shirt over to the side. Alright, the first thing, God, I just get so excited when this box arrives. Oh, God, the first thing we have, oh, yes, I have been wanting one of these, but I want one that, I want the Slytherin one, but it is a stationary wax stamp set. And it is a Loot Crate exclusive. Slide this off, and I want to cut it. I actually don't know what's in this box. All my other boxes I've opened today, I knew everything that was in it, but I could not take a peek in this box without looking for, without opening it, I had to wait. So we got this. We got bag within a bag. So these are cards and envelopes. So black parchment cards and envelopes, black envelopes. One of my favorite color is black. Oh, if they went in here. Then it has this little velvet bag. Oh, this is like a legit stamp too. It's got a wood handle and a brass bottom there. Then we have our wax stick. That is awesome. Oh my God, this is so awesome. I can't wait to send somebody a note on that. That's really nice. And these stationery sets are expensive. So it's really awesome that Loot Crate got one made just for their box. Next thing we have a pen, and it's in a baggie. nice. So it's a little booklet, and when you open it up, it is a pen of Tom Riddle's diary with the basilisk fang. That's freaking awesome. Ooh. So we got this little pouch that you can use for makeup or a wallet, whatever you want. But it is a Prisoner of Azkaban bag. Oh, they don't have the little scroll spoiler card this month. They have a little wax seal thing. I kind of look forward to the scroll, but whatever. We'll check it out, see what this is like. We got one more item. Wow. So we have a set of 4 collectible plate set, which this is, and is an exclusive for Loot Crate and Underground Toys. Is licensed by Warner Brothers, but it is a collector set plate from Dolores Umbridge. That's so funny. Oh, and these are like melamine plates. I have Star Wars and Doctor Who melamine plates and some melamine mixing bowls. But these are really, really cool. I don't much care for floral pink girly frou-frou kitty things like this. But because it is Harry Potter related, yeah, I love it. And if you don't get the reference, then you're obviously not a Harry Potter fan, and therefore should not get this box. And the last one. That's funny. I'm not sure what I think of that, but it's funny. It's cute. Anyway. So the last thing we have in the box is our shirt. Oh, and it's not Snape, and that's disappointing. It is actually a Fantastic Beasts shirt, and it is Loot Crate exclusive, but licensed. But we have a Fantastic Beasts shirt. You know, and this isn't just a Harry Potter specific box. It does deal with anything dealing with J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter world, which includes Fantastic Beasts. So, you know, you expected to see some of that in there. And truth be told, I'm not a huge fan of Fantastic Beasts. It's okay. You know, I've just spent 17 years loving Harry Potter, so, and I'm not good with change. So here is our spoiler card. Dark Arts, we're exploring, We're exploring the darker side of magic with collectibles, apparel, replicas, and more, featuring the characters, places, creatures, and artifacts associated with the dark arts of the wizarding world. This creates magical loot. We have our shirt. Percival Graves shirt. Percival Graves, that's why I couldn't think of his name. It's time to come out of the shadows with this exclusively designed Percival Graves shirt. Then we got our Professor Umbridge Frolicsome Feline plates. Adorn your tables or walls with these replica plates based on the magical Frolicsome Feline Collection, favored by Dolores Umbridge. We got the Azkaban pouch. Carry your accessories in this pouch designed after the inmate's plates from Azkaban. A reminder of where the following the dark arts could lead. We have our Chamber of Secrets stationery set. Write to your fellow witches and wizards with this Chamber of Secrets stationery set and wax seal. And finally, we have our Tom Riddle diary pen. Tom Riddle's diary pen is inspired by one of the darkest forms of magic. In the moment, Harry destroyed the first of the Dark Lord's prized Horcruxes. So, there's everything we got this month. This is a bi-monthly box, which is a good and bad thing. Bad because I can't get enough Harry Potter, but good because that way I can stagger the 3 bi-monthly boxes I get. So that works for me. But it's a pretty good box. I think they've done pretty good, and they're improving. But I really like the box. I really just don't have, I do have the hiccups. I don't have too many negative things to say about this particular box. I think Loot Crate does a pretty good job with their specialty boxes. So I'm a fan of it. A little disappointed in the shirt. You know, when I think of Dark Arts, of course, I'm, like I said, I'm so hardcore Harry Potter. That's going to be where my mind goes to, is the original franchise. But, and I don't know that I'd wear this shirt, but that's okay. It's Harry Potter. I can do something with this. I don't know, maybe I will wear it. It's not bad. It just needs to grow on me a bit, but we'll give it a try. But that is it for this unboxing. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little notification bell in the description box below to be notified when we have excuse me, new content posted on our channel. But that is it for us. Say bye. He's like, oh, he growled. He does not want me messing with him tonight. So he doesn't feel good. You okay? You okay? Oh, he's been a sassy pants the last couple days. But that's it for us, guys. Peace.